Rainstorm. Back to the channel. Quite cold because it's winter here, so I'm gonna get inside. I need this coffee so bad. Listen to that rain. Walk in was absolutely soaking. Well, it's only 9:30 AM, so I'm gonna get the fire going into the night. So I have a lot of work to do. It's coming in big time out here. Shouldn't be too much fire starter to get this going. A little looser. That's why I'm drying the place out a bit. The river is starting to form outside. That's nice. I'm starting with Sultana. I don't think this is like an ideal number. Look at this. That's again. That's such a satisfying. Check the river, see how high it is. Now to get inside. It's definitely come up a long way. No, I think my lens is complete. Absolutely so. We need to handle. Still full block. Someone's going to chill for a bit. Okay, yeah. They smell divine right here. This is. I'm within the crane ski. Oh. Because these sausages you don't want interfering. A little bit of Coleman's. What you said, you got to try Coleman's mustard on your. Oh wow, not beefy, rich in flavour. Oh. And some French. More sweet and zesty and a lot, but I don't think it would be that good on in the comments about the ketchup. Although I think I prefer the Coleman's. Satisfaction, 10 out after that. It's actually pretty cold. I almost fell asleep before lying in the sleeping bag, uncomfortable, like it has been before in a massive cup of, you then get like the best like at once. Look how fast it goes up and then goes down. Sleep. Being in the sleeping bag on the 5 AM, I think now it's like 7, chill out. We'll go take a look at the river. Quick, gotta get the butter on there and get it melted. Right on cue, the wicket. So fluffy and sweet. This is on the pace. I think I'll do some more cabin camps. I really enjoy this though. If I do an extra hour or so. And the snow should come. September, you know. Gotta clean up after yourself. Poo situation when camping in places like that and drop. How to open it. To keep all the business. Beautiful morning. The sun's now hitting the trees. But I film a little bit of it and then I'll say goodbye at the car. But it's a pretty steep little climb. Whew. Got a good sweep. I hope you guys did too. Massive thanks to you guys for continuing to support the channel.